Welcome back. In this video I will show you how to increase cursor speed in Windows 10. So for this you need to press the window key, or you can simply type over here mouse setting and click on the mouse settings. So on the right side of the window you need to click on the additional mouse option. Click on that. So in the mouse properties window that pop-ups, you need to go to the pointer options tab, and under the motion section you need to move the slider towards fast if you want to make it speed fast. Here you can see that it is moving instantly. And also make sure you need to check the enhanced pointer precisions to make it fast, and just click apply and click OK, and that's all. So this way you can increase the mouse speed in Windows 10. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.